Hello students, welcome to today's maths class. Now today's topic is division. So today we will first doing the division, we will see the parts of the division. So I have written parts of division. So what are the parts of division? Divisor, quotient, dividend and remainder. Okay. Now the question is 4 divided by 2. So this 4 we have written here. So it is a dividend. Okay. Now this 2 I have written here. So this is a divisor. So now we will do the division. 2 for division we will read the table of 2. So what is the 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 2 we will write here. So we will subtract, the answer is 0. So this is called a remainder. Okay. So what we have written here 2, it is a quotient. Okay. So once again I have written here, just see it. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. The remainder is 0. Dividend divided by divisor equal to quotient, and this is a remainder. Let's solve one question. Next, rest of the question you have to do yourself. Let's solve the first question, that is given 24 divided by 2. So 24 we will write in the place of dividend. 2, 4. So this 2 is a divisor. So we will write here. So now we will solve. 2 ones are 2. Okay. So we will write 2 ones are 2. Okay. And then 2 12s are 2 12s are 24. So what is the answer? 0. Okay. So now what is the dividend here? 24. Okay. So we will write in the place of dividend 24. Now what is the divisor? 2. Now what is the quotient we have got here? That is 12. Now again the remainder is 0. Let's do the next one. So the next question is given in your book is 31 divided by 2. So in place of dividend we will write 31. So in place of divisor we will write 2. So let's say the table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. And 2 twos are 4. Now 4 is greater than 3. So we will choose the number that is smaller than 3. So that is 2 ones are 2. So we will write 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now we will subtract. So what is the answer? 1. So again this one we will write here 1. Okay. Now next again, now what is the answer? What is the remainder we got? 11. So again we will do 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. Now 2 6 are 12. So 12 is bigger than 11. So we will take the number that is smaller than 11. So that will be 2 fives are 10. So we will write 2 5s are 10. Now subtract 1. So what is the remainder here? 1. Okay. Now we will write down here. So what we will write in the place of dividend? We will write 31 divided by divisor is 2. Now what is the quotient we have got here? That is 1, 5, 15. Now here we have got the remainder, that is 1. So understood how you have to do? So same way you do in your book, okay, and you write down the remainder and do it in your book only. Extra questions I will send you in homework in the notebook, so that you have to write down in the notebook. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. So page number 11 is your homework, and now I will tell you how you will do page number 11. The question is given, let's read. Print the outcome on computer and decode the answer. So first one has already done for you. So I will tell you how they have done. Okay, the question I have written, it is given in your book. 6 into 4 divided by 3. The answer is 8. So how they got the answer 8? First we will multiply 6 into 4. How much? 6 4s are 24. So again we will write down the question, 24 divided by 3. So 3 8s are 24. So in your notebook you have to do like this. In book it is not given. So page number 11 you have to do all the equations in the notebook. So let's do the next one. It is given 18 divided by 3 into 2. So first we will do division or multiplication. So first we will do multiplication. Okay. So let's multiply. So this question we will write in the same way here. Okay. 18 divided by 3 2s are 6 equal to dash. So now we will write down the division formula. So 18 will come here, now 6 will go there. So this is dividend, this is divisor. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So what we will write? 6 3s are 18. Subtraction 0. So the remainder is 0, but the quotient is 3. So quotient is the answer. So we will write down 3 here. Let's do the next one, third one. What is given here? 24 into 3 divided by 4. So first we will do division or multiplication. So first we will do multiplication. So let's do the multiplication here. 24 into 3. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 1 2 12. So we will write both 12 here? No, we will write only this one 2 here. So 1 we will carry this side. Okay. Now next 3 2s are 6. Now 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So 24 into 3 is 72. Okay. Now this one remained, we will write here 72 divided by 4. So let's do 72 divided by 4. So 4 is a divisor, 72 is a dividend. So first we will take the first number, only 7. So 7 will divide it by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is bigger than 7. So we will take only first one, that is 4 1s are 4. Now we will subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we will write the 2 here. Now 32. What number we have got? 32. So again we will say the table of 4 where 32 comes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So now what is here? 32. So 4 8s are 32. Okay. So the remainder is 0. Now the quotient we have got is 18. So 24 into 3 divided by 4 equal to 18. Okay, so other you have to do yourself and send me your homework, and write everything in your notebook like this how I have written. Okay, so you have to do the multiplication like this, then division like this, then down you can write down the same answer. Okay, like this. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, I will show you in the notebook how you will write and how you will solve in your notebook. Okay, so next one we are going to start the new topic. Okay, that is the new chapter of your book. The previous we have done the revision. Now we have finished the revision today. So next class I will take the class test. Okay, so from the page number 1 to page number 11 I will take your test. So be prepared for your test. Okay, then see you in the next class.